never had one before. It looked really cute. They did such a great job. Okay. Next up, okay, so we have this on In the Kitchen with Julia every so often, and it always does really, really well. But what you need to know, if you've shopped with me before, is that this is the first day that we've presented it at this low of a price. It is a no reorder situation. It's from the brand that we love called Dash. It is the Silicone Perfect Portion Freezer Tray Set. You're getting 2 different trays. You have one tray that is going to have 1, 2, 3 vessels that hold 1 cup each, and the other tray, 6 1/2 cup vessels as well. You can almost see in that picture, right? You can see the measuring mark. So that's a perfect shot. Thank you so much. You can see where it goes to, and each one comes with its own locking lid. So originally $29, it's now $13.99. This is over 50% off. Is that right? 13, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 20. Yeah, it's $15 off. That's crazy. $4.66 on an easy pay. First day ever. So the colors are, this is your gray. So your 1/2 cup is going to be in that gray, and then you get the black for the 1 cups. And in the aqua colors, it's gonna be that aqua for the 6 cup, or the 6 1/2 cups, and then another, like a darker aqua for your 1 cups each. So I told you all that at the top of the year, 2025, one of the things that I really wanted to lean into was meal prepping, right? So whether that is making your food ahead of time, getting that perfect portion control, as you can see in this video right now, you have your chicken soup. If you make, like when I cook, my father used to say I cook like I'm cooking for a fire brigade, because when I cook, I want it to last and last and last. I make really great chicken tortilla soup, or maybe you make a stock and you want to save it for later. Look, a mac and cheese that you could throw in there, and then you have that perfect portion to take to work. You have the perfect portion of those stocks or those soups to take you throughout the winter. But meal prep ensures that you are going to be saving money, saving food, making last longer. Now, we just saw Lisa Brady showing it to you. With those lids, you can write on the lid, right on the lid, with like a dry erase marker. You can date it, let you know what it is. So it helps you stay on track, helps you make smarter choices. So again, you're looking at that gray choice, and these are the 2 that you're getting. 1 cup, 1 cup, 1 cup, 6 1/2 cups. Now in the aqua though, that's over here, where you get the same thing, 1 cup, 1 cup, 1 cup, 6 1/2 cups, very limited, only 180 remaining. So your soups, check. Baby food, if you want to make your own baby food, whether it's for your own child or your niece or your nephew or your grandchildren, this is fantastic. I always like to know what I'm feeding the ones that I love. And when you control the ingredients and you could do it all ahead of time, that's how I like to operate. I like to just sort of like hunker down, get all my ingredients, make everything all at once, do all the dishes all at once, and then I'm done for the entire week. So this is how you do that. Your soups, your stocks, make specialty cubes. I like to make coffee ice cubes, because you know me, I love my iced coffee. Even when it's 2 degrees outside, I'm still drinking iced coffee. But it gets diluted so quickly. So make specialty cubes ahead of time. Make pretty cubes for maybe a punch bowl when you're throwing that baby shower, and put some flowers and fruit in it. Make it look really pretty, and then when it's floating around in that punch bowl, everyone's like, ooh, and eyeing, because it's so gorgeous. No reorder on this. It's compact. They stack on top of one another because the lid is really nice and rigid. So you can fit that lid right on top. You can put this one on top right there, and they're not gonna collapse on themselves. Now it is that magic material that is silicone. So when you pull this out of the freezer, you can see how it's rigid along the edge, but you can just literally pop it right out. So it's not gonna get stuck or anything like that. It has that easy release. You can see measuring marks here as well. It's K89558. Sorry, I'm trying to get the right angle there. Oh, there you go. Perfect. As milliliters on that side. Does it have cups on the other side? Yeah, if we can see the other side. It just makes it really, really easy. So here we have it, because it is a set of 2. This is your gray choice. So in the classic gray, you get 6 of the 1/2 cup capacity vessels, including the lid. And then on this one, you get 3 of the 1 cups. Then we also have it in the aqua, which I have for you right here, stacked on top of each other. Same deal there, but $13.99. That is over 50% off the QVC price. Keep yourself... Oh, it's one of our 16 items under $25. $4.66 on your Easy Pay. When it's gone, but stay on track, make smart choices, make your smoothies